Welcome to Vocabulary Tablet. My name is Snehanjali and today I am going to talk about internships ranging for students from high school till their graduation and even beyond that. Firstly, let me talk about my own experience with internships. I am a final year English literature undergrad, and obviously I wanted some experience in my own field like content writing, video making, speaking, etc. So last year the lockdown was imposed and I was a bit sad that now I cannot step out and get the experience I need. But thankfully I landed over this website called Internshala. And there I saw that there are different options for internships ranging from different streams like engineering, hotel management, and even liberal arts, my own stream, English honors. So there were different options we could check from, and also the options were home-based internships, part-time internships, full-time office internships, and even some fresher job options, which was a great deal. So I started working with a few companies. Some companies were just asking me to write blogs for them. Some asked for articles, and I even did some HR internships, telecalling internships, etc. All these internships helped me with the experience I required and also provided me with some stipend, which helped me motivate to just work more and more. So now let me tell you that how you can apply for these internships. Firstly, you need to open the website of Internshala and then you just need to search for your option of stream, option for the stipend you want, and just the duration you're available to work with them. So after that, what you can do is you will see a list of companies you can work with in that particular area, and then you need to just apply on the internship. Before applying, you need to check a few details like the stipend they are providing you with. What are the perks of the internships? Generally, the perks are certificate, letter of recommendation, and a stipend which they already mentioned. But some other companies also provide with other few perks. And some internships which you need to mind is that they don't provide you with a stipend, but they provide you with some different perks. So you need to check that for yourself before applying. Once you choose a company to apply to, you just need to press the apply button and then you will get a few options of questions to answer. Sometimes the questions are optional and sometimes you have to answer all the questions. These questions are very easy and they are just there to check you if you are eligible for the internship. The questions which are mentioned are that why you should be hired, are you available for the time mentioned, are you fine with the stipend they are providing, and some few more questions depending on the companies like your work sample, etc. So after you just answer these questions, you need to apply and then you just need to wait for the company to reply. So the safe option to go with would be to apply in different companies and then wait for them to answer back, because you cannot really rely on just one company and wait for their reply, because there are many people who apply for some particular company. After applying, it's very easy. They tell you all the tips, they give you all the tips and tell you how you need to work with them, and then they provide you with a certificate whenever the tenure of the internship is over. Although the stipend is provided to you every month mostly, and some companies also provide you with lump sum stipend too, but that will all be mentioned there. So you all need to be aware that everything should be mentioned there along with the company's name. You have to check their website too if they are legitimate. Although Internshala in itself is a website that checks their legitimacy, but you also need to do that for yourself. Check for yourself if you really want to work for that company, and then only you should apply, because that is how it should be. You just need to check that all that they are mentioning there, they are providing you to at the time of you joining their internship, and that is all you have to do. It is very easy to get these internships. You just need to choose wisely and do your work properly. That's about it. Thank you so much for listening.